How to make money on Etsy. Find your passion, research the competition and to the math. Make sure your idea can be profitable. If you want to make money selling stuff, it's important to sell a product you are about. But before diving in, make sure it'll actually sell. You can do something quick: market research using Etsy search bar. Be as specific in your query as possible and click through to the different shop pages to see the number of sales made since opening. If it seems that there are enough interest in your product ideas, then you can move on to the next step: making sure the product will earn you money. Here is how to do the math. Figure out the cost of the make each item. First, figure out what costs such as material or labor are involved in production. If you want to sell homemade jewelry, for example, look up price for the gems and earning hooks. Research the competition. Scope out prices for similar item on Etsy. It's a good idea to consider price on other marketplace such as Amazon or local store to increase your chance for selling. Factor in Etsy fees. Selling through Etsy isn't free. For example, the site charges 20 cents to list an item. When you make a sale, there is a transaction fees of 5% of the price you display for each listing, plus the amount you charge for shipping and gift wrapping. Read up on all Etsy fees before you starting selling. Evaluate the number. Make the price per item you picked at and deduct the associated cost. Set up a successful Etsy shop. Once you defined a solid idea, it's time to create your shop. It's a simple process. Sign up, click the sale on Etsy button and fill the detail such as your shop name, listing and billing information. Once your shop is online, check out Etsy seller handbook and consider joining a team to help you learn the basic from other shops owner, such as how to take great photos for your item or write your shop description. Start with free methods. Creating a Facebook page or Instagram account for your shop is good place to start. Check out similar accounts to find relevant hashtags and ideas for posts. Then post regularly and interact with followers to maximize your reach. You could start blog about topic that relevant to your buyers. Relevant to your buyers. If you have a vintage clothing shop, for instance, you could write about how to style clothes or repair older pieces. If you can afford the invest some money, consider paid methods such as Etsy promoted listing product or Google shopping ads tool to showcase your item. As the business grow, set sales goal and take advantage of Etsy web analysis. That way you can gauge if your marketing tactics are working or it's time to try something new.